Welcome to my channel, where creativity meets functionality in the world of interior design. Today, we'll explore the captivating art of wall design. So, let's get started? Choosing the perfect color palette. The first step to a stunning wall design is choosing the right color palette. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant or soft and serene, the colors you pick can significantly impact the room's atmosphere. I'll share some tips on selecting complementary colors that create harmony and balance within the space. Accent walls. Accent walls are a fantastic way to add a focal point and make a statement. I'm guiding you through various materials like wallpaper, reclaimed wood, or even a creative paint technique to achieve that WOW. Texture and patterns. Texture and patterns can bring life to a plain wall. From 3D wall panels to textured paints, I'm showing you how to play with different materials to add depth and visual interest to your space. Wall art and gallery displays. Walls are like a blank canvas, ready for your artistic touch. I am sharing clever tips on creating stunning gallery walls, mixing different artwork sizes, and arranging them to perfection. Incorporating shelving and storage. Wall design can be functional too. Discover how to incorporate floating shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, and stylish storage solutions that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Lighting and wall sconces. Proper lighting can transform the ambience of any room. I am showing you how to use wall sconces strategically to create a warm and inviting atmosphere while highlighting key design elements. Nature-inspired walls. Nature-inspired wall designs are on trend and create a soothing environment. I am sharing some creative ways to integrate botanical wallpapers or nature-themed murals into your interior spaces. DIY wall art and crafts. Don't worry if you're on a budget. I've got some fantastic DIY wall art and craft ideas that are affordable yet stylish, allowing you to add a personal touch to your walls. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on wall design to elevate your interior space. Remember, walls are not just boundaries, they're opportunities to reflect your personality and style. So, get creative and turn your walls into masterpieces. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, happy decorating!